Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to do paragraph Basant. Here some outlines are given here and you will complete the paragraph by following the given outlines. A festival of kites. Preparations are made months in advance, celebrated by kite flying a little prior to the close of winter. A favorite festival of Lahoris. The gay, spirited sons of Lahore are very enthusiastic about it. The word enthusiastic means passionate or excited, पुरजोश होना. Some groups act as rivals. The word rival means someone who is against to other and spend thousands of rupees on Basant Day. The roof tops are crowded. People cry aloud Bokata throughout the day. Many mishaps occur. Now we can see that all the excitement, all the activities are mentioned here and in this part which I am going to start now. All the mishappenings, all the mishaps are mentioned here and the drawbacks which are caused by Basant are mentioned here. Many mishaps occur, precious lives are lost or limbs broken. The word limbs mean legs and arms. Throats of the motorbike riders have been slit with sharp, strong, twisted thread. Metal string cause electrocutions and power failures. The word electrocution means the injury or killing of someone by electric shock. A total wastage, but who cares? Basant has now become a bloody failure. We can see that there are short sentences are given here and now I am going to tell you the complete paragraph. You can follow it but it is not necessary. You can write it by your own if you can do it easily. Basant is basically a festival of Hindus, but nowadays it is celebrated in many countries. Kites are flown on Basant. People of all ages actively participate in it. But young boys, girls and children celebrate it with special excitement and devotion. Preparation for Basant are begun months in advance. Basant is famous festival of the people of Lahore. Thousands of rupees are spent on Basant every year. They gather at open places in order to hold kite flying competitions. Some parties act as rivals. Each party tries to hew the string of the other party. Here the word hew means to cut. Immense pleasure is felt in hewing the string of the other. People cry aloud Bokata throughout the day. Basant has many disadvantages. Thousands of rupees are spent on this useless activity. Many mishaps and accidents occur on Basant. Limbs of many kite flyers are broken. Some of them are electrocuted due to the use of metallic strings. Many precious lives are lost in indiscriminate firing on Basant Day. We should try to avoid this curse. Due to all these reasons, Punjab government has banned it for a few years. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, thank you.